Lakshman Yapa Abeyewardena, the Deputy Minister of Civil Aviation Service, says that the Mattal International Airport will not be shut down. The Deputy Minister who inspected the airport today noted that relief will be provided in order to attract aviation companies.
The Mattal International Airport, which was opened on the 18th of February 2013, has been restricted to one flight per day. Deputy Minister Lakshman Yapa Abeyewardena inspected the airport that was built with Chinese funds aimed at facilitating 1 million passengers per year. The airport has the longest runway for a A380, which is the biggest passenger aircraft in the world. The airport also comprises of a cargo terminal which can facilitate 45,000 metric tons of cargo annually.
In the history of our country, none of the development initiatives have yielded instant benefits. There were many allegations against the Mahaweli development project, but the same project turned out to be one of the most important projects in the country. There were allegations against Norochole, but now the project has come to a stage where we can complete the debt where we took to finish the project. The Mattal airport can be developed. We have to state this very clearly. We will not close this down under any circumstance.
The Deputy Minister stated that the government's aspiration is to develop the Mattal International Airport through an open aviation services policy. Thereby, any international airline with a bilateral aviation services agreement with Sri Lanka will be allowed to enter the Mattal Airport.
We will facilitate international airlines to enter the airport independently. We will produce a gazette notification in this regard in the coming months. Currently, this system is present in 8 countries. Sri Lanka will become the 9th country to use this system. Our objective is to create 5 journeys in and out from 5 countries to this airport. We also hope in the future to reduce an amount of $0.10 when purchasing fuel from this airport.
අඩු කරන්න